Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best reciprocating saw blades on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Ozark Japanese Teeth Reciprocating Saw Blade 15-inch. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Ozark 15-inch Japanese Teeth Reciprocating Saw Blade is engineered for efficient wood pruning and trimming tasks. Its 15-inch arc-edge design, combined with a 6 TPI aggressive Japanese tooth profile, ensures smooth and controlled cuts through large branches and limbs. The blade features triple ground offset teeth, reducing friction and enhancing cutting performance. Constructed from high-quality chrome vanadium polished steel, it offers durability and longevity. Suitable for cutting wet wood, dry wood, green timber, and firewood up to 300 mm in diameter, this blade is ideal for both professional and DIY applications. Number 2 is the WorkPro 32-piece reciprocating saw blade set, metal/wood cutting saw blades. The WorkPro 32-piece reciprocating saw blade set is a versatile collection designed for both wood and metal cutting tasks. The set includes 22 wood-cutting blades made from CRV steel, suitable for coarse wood and pruning branches up to 180 mm in diameter. Additionally, it offers 10 metal-cutting blades crafted from biomaterial, capable of handling metal thicknesses ranging from 0.7 to 8 mm and pipes up to 100 mm in diameter. Compatible with all reciprocating saw brands, this assortment is ideal for various applications, including metal, plastic, wood, and drywall cutting. The set comes with a bonus organizer pouch for easy storage and transport. And the first position goes to the DeWalt Reciprocating Saw Blades. The DeWalt Reciprocating Saw Blades 10-piece set is a durable and well-rounded option for users who need reliable blades for a variety of cutting tasks. This set includes a mix of bimetal blades optimized for both wood and metal applications. You get 4 6-inch 6 TPI blades for fast wood cutting, 4 6-inch 18 TPI blades for precise metal cuts, 1 8-inch 14 TPI blade for general metal cutting, and 1 9-inch 6 TPI blade designed for deeper cuts in wood. The bimetal construction ensures flexibility and helps resist breakage, while the reinforced teeth are engineered to handle tough materials like wood with embedded nails and thick metal piping. The 6-degree hook angle provides aggressive cutting action, which improves speed and efficiency on the job. This set comes in a compact DeWalt tough case for easy organization and transport, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY users who want a dependable and versatile blade selection that fits in most toolboxes. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 reciprocating saw blades that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.